Hi, I have a ukulele here. A lot of people think ukulele and guitars are different, but they're actually pretty same. Ukulele is basically a guitar that has a capo on 5th fret. And over here, if you play, this is G chord, but if you play here, this is C chord. But ukulele doesn't have last 2 bottom strings. It only has a 4 guitar string. And if I play, this is C chord. And on ukulele, this is C chord. It sounds exactly the same, right? Then this would be G chord. We call it D shape in the guitar, but it's a G chord. Make sure you don't play first 2 strings.